Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go error. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go error, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Monopoly Go. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Monopoly Go. I don't have here updates, but when you'll find it in this blue sign, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.